Hello friends, welcome again. This is my new project food delivery system. But I have creating this project in Python, Django and MySQL. So I got many of the requests from many of the students, so they need some projects which has dual type of UI like a admin, and there is a different UI for user. There will be different UI. So we created this project with using two different type of interface, and both are bootstrap theme. And also I am using latest Python version 3.12 and the Django version is 5. So this technology stack I am using. So this is a front end page of this project. You can see my project title is online food delivery system. I have developed this project in Python, Django and MySQL. I have used HTML, CSS and JavaScript. Some of the jQuery library also I have used for giving some good effects inside the project like this. You can see there is a slider running on the home page and it's coming from the JavaScript, right? So you can see the categories, all categories here. These are coming from the database. These all are, you can see here all categories. You can also see the feature products. These products are also coming from the database. So this is all about the home page. Now click on the about us page. This is the about project. This is a static page, nothing dynamic in this page. You can see this is a products page. You can see all the products related food which are coming from the database. These are totally dynamic page. You can see all the food from this page, and this is a categories page which are coming from the database. These are also totally dynamic page. You can see all the category related food. This is a register page. Here user can easily register here, and this is a login, admin and customer, and this is a contact us page. This page is also static page like a about us page. We have integrated here a small map. So click on the products. If you want to buy meal, click on view details here. Oh, without login you can't buy any products like any food, so you must have the user account. So without user account in this portal you can't buy any food. So username is customer and the password is test. Now click on the login to account. Oh, this is a very great dashboard. You can see all the features in this page, like here important links. You can go directly from this link on this page, and this is your orders like a total orders, confirmed order, transit order, delivered. You can see anything from this dashboard. Now first click on the products. If you want to buy like a Shahi Paneer, click on the view details. You can see all the details about Shahi Paneer. Here you can add the number of quantity like a 2, 3 and click on the add to cart. You can see the quantity 3 item and the total cost automatically calculate 12,000 like a. Click on the proceed to checkout. You can see this is a make payment page. This is a dummy page, not a real page. You can enter anything from here like a 1, 2, 3, a name of the card like a Visa, and the expiry date like a 12, CVV number, anything you can enter because this is a dummy page, not a real page. Click on the make payment. Here your order has been confirmed. You can see the details about the page. If you want to see all your orders, click on my order section, you can see your order details. From here you can click on the eye icon, you can see all the details about related that orders. If you want to update your account, you can click on my account page, you can update your account. If you want to change password, you can click on change password and you can hear new password and confirm, you can change the passwords. So this is all about the customer panel. So this is all about the front end thing. And one last thing I want to tell you, this is a session driven. You can see my administration, log out option and dashboard option is also saying. If I log out, you can see the menu has been changed because of the session driven. So the system is checking who is login, so accordingly that upper menu is displaying. So this is all about the front end panel. So what we have developed inside the project. Now comes the admin panel for admin. First you need to open admin login. Now admin login is admin and the password is test. Without login you can't access the internal page. Now click on the sign in. You can see this is also a very great dashboard and attractive. You can see all the things like a quick menu, like all products, available all categories, registered customer, all orders, total order, order delivered, confirmed order, order in transit, total orders, total customers. You can see all things from this dashboard. So click on the products page. So click on products management, click on the add products. You can see this is a add product page, add and edit. You can add any product from this page. If you want to add number of food in database, in products, related products, you can add the number of food from this page. You can see this is a all products report, like a all food report. You can see all the food from this page. You can easily here edit and delete. If you want to click on edit, you can see the product report will be visible in edit format. And you want to delete, you can here delete button, you can also the delete here. So there is a pagination here. You can see there is a basic pagination here. If you click on the edit, then the product will be open in the edit format. Okay. You can see export this whole data in CSV as well as Excel as well as PDF. You can disable or enable the columns from it. If you don't want to see the type, then click on the type, just click on that, then you can see type is not coming here. But if you click on the type again, it also coming here. So there is a power of this table. So this is all of the product report. Same for category. Here admin can easily add the number of category from this page, and the same for category report. You can easily edit and delete from here. You can you can see all the category report. If you want to click on like edit, you can see the category is visible in edit format. This is a all order report. You can see here all order. Same for the product report. You can export all the data, all orders, report data in CSV as well as Excel as well as PDF. If you want to click on username, you can also see the username is not coming. If you want to click, if you want to see the username, then you can click on again user, you can see the username. And if you want to the view item, you can click on the eye icon, you can see the order details. This is a all user report. You can see all the user reports and you can easily edit and delete from here. Same for the product report or a order. And this is a change password. Here admin can easily change the password. And this is a logout option. So you can see the view of admin panel and also the view of user panel. So we have developed these two different types of view for the managing this whole project online food delivery system. So this is all the features we had developed inside the project. If you need any type of enhancement, any type of feature, just put it into the comment box. We will develop the new project according to your requirements. So don't forget, subscribe our channel. Thank you for watching this video. Thank you very much.